Artlist.io.
I cracked the seal on the set, burn out the wheels on this bitch. Way too much to celebrate, so we got a reason to get a little lifted on the smoke that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest.
I get lifted on the smoke and it feels so right. I've been with it from the jump, I live my own life.
Music licensing reimagined.
Through these cold nights, never need that cosign. I'm gon' make it in no time. Ay, lights on me like Broadway, so divine like Dante. I was just a little pee-wee, never thought I'd take it such a long way. Do a verse and get 3 stacks, now I really gotta thank Andre. From an outcast to a big boy, now we all paid. I've been feeling like a child, growing in the wild. When you do your own thing, that's never out of style. When it all goes sideways, I'll find my way out. I just gotta do it my way, that's straight from the ground.
I cracked the seal on the set, burn out the wheels on this bitch. Way too much to celebrate, so we got a reason to get a little lifted on the smoke that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest. I seen a lot for my age, did some dirt in my days. Been through the mud, but I made it out, it can't get worse, so I stay.
Music licensing reimagined.
That they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest. Road less traveled on, I can see for miles. I know where I'm going and I know to be a while. My dog's in the bag like the canine unit, to keep me on track just in case I lose it. Generate cash from the thoughts in my soul. And sold tickets to my sold out shows, yeah. Both my hands, they been on the shovel when I'm in the trench. Been years since I had a day off, I can really use it. I know exactly how it's gon' end. I played it out too many times in my head. Been broken in pockets, backstabbed and broken hearted. I told them all I'd make it happen, I'm still here, never broke the promise. I cracked the seal on the set, burn out the wheels on this bitch. Way too much to celebrate, so we got a reason to
Music
get
licensing reimagined.
that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest. I seen a lot for my age, did some dirt in my days. Been through the mud, but I made it out, it can't get worse, so I stay a little lifted on the smoke that they wanted. Cause I ain't worried about shit, to keep it honest.
Artlist.io.